Hey, what's up guys? So previously gumawa ako ng video kung paano nyo makukuha yung mga contacts using company list as a main source. And dito sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makapaghanap ng contacts without using company list as a source. So ganito lang yung kailangan natin gawin. Just create a table and then select find people. Okay? And then, dun sa previous video, nag-select ako ng table. So, we're not gonna select any table in this case. Instead, mag-apply lang tayo ng filters na based doon sa ideal target natin or ideal target ng client mo. So, for example, you would like to target yung mga founders, no? Or CEOs. Tapos, located sa Australia. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang gawin dito directly without using the find companies na option. Okay? And pwede mo pang i-narrow down yung search mo by adding more filters. Like, for example, if you would like uh, to target any specific industry, for example, marketing agencies, no? Tapos, mga small marketing agencies like 2 to 10. Pwede mo pa siyang i-narrow down para mas makakuha ka ng mas refined na lead list. So, this is the list of founders na located sa Australia. Ayan, kita nyo. Location niya is Sydney and these are marketing agencies. Okay? So, pwede ka pang mag-add ng mas maraming filters like example, pwede ka maglagay ng mga exclusion, pwede ka maglagay ng specific keywords. So, you can do all that. So, basically, itong process na to is applicable kung hindi mo na kailangan na i-create at i-refine muna yung company list bago mo hanapin yung mga key decision makers. So, pwede ka nang rumekta dito and once na ma-import mo na yung contacts doon sa new table mo, then you can start enriching yung data. So that's pretty much it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.